One of the biggest things for us, I think, was integration. Firstly, we wanted the system to be able to integrate per line item. And then also we were looking for a partner that would be flexible enough to accommodate what we would like to do with our loyalty system.
Yes, we definitely were. Loyalty is something that we always thought would be really important for our company. It's a way where we can create a database where we can engage and connect with our customers, send them information from our side, and also obviously reward them for being loyal to our company.
Definitely a massive effect. It's allowed us to communicate and engage with our customers and reward our loyal customers. I mean, that's really the whole point of loyalty for us. It gave us an opportunity and a platform to do things that we weren't able to do before. And particularly with this loyalty system, it allowed us to give back to the customers that are spending with us and are seeing our business as a partner.
And also we can definitely see that we've had a growth in engagement and also customers coming back to shop more often with us. It's just recently been our 1-year birthday of the launch of our loyalty, and we already have almost 19,000 customers that are signed up. So we can just see that with that, not only the database, but also all those customers coming back more often. And that's obviously a really good thing for our company.
There's been a number of factors, but if you look at key metrics that we tracked as a business, there were 3. The number of times customers visited us, which was frequency, has gone up significantly. The revenue spend has gone up. And the third metric, which we tracked quite carefully, was the basket size per customer. All 3 of those were very important to us, and we saw an improvement in all 3.
So I think the most important thing that companies need to look for when they want to implement loyalty is customization. Finding a partner that is going to allow you to customize the loyalty to what works for your customers and your business. I know we did quite a lot of research beforehand into the different service providers that we could have, and it was very important to find someone like Infinity that would allow us to be flexible, to incorporate our brand, the things we knew would work for our customers, and all the marketing elements that were obviously going to enhance it, that could be integrated with the Infinity system. We are very excited. I think an app is something we've wanted for a while, and I think we believe that an app would enhance our loyalty system drastically, and it would just be amazing for our customers to have that additional touch point where they can see the information they want to know, the transactions, their cashback balance, know that they have everything in one place and can view it themselves. I think that's the biggest thing for